Central States Manufacturing Claysburg produces building panels, trim, and accessories for construction because the company is employee and they take great pride in every step of production and delivery of their product.
So the minimal job requirements, well, education requirements is a GED. The job requirements themselves vary. I started off on the floor, learned pretty much everything in the plant, and that's what helped me become a trainer.
The education is high school diploma or GED.
Our company, we have fun. It's the purpose of our company is for the well-being and financial freedom of our employee owners and their families. And so for us, I think that purpose is, it's not just to be the best manufacturer in the country or to make the most metal, it's really for the people here. And so I think that sets us apart. And you know, we like to have fun. We do a lot of events here. We do a lot of giving back in the community, and we've enjoyed that element. And we also are an employee-owned company, so that's where the financial freedom comes in. And it's been really neat to see a lot of employees retire, having $1 million in stock, or be able to withdraw some of those funds in the earlier years of their lives when they need a down payment on a house or buying a car, putting their kid through college. So I think that sets us apart because we have an awesome opportunity to take care of people for their lives.
My favorite part is the culture and everybody treats each other like family.
The people. Everybody's friendly, family oriented. Would be our ESOP, our employee owned, the fact that we are employee owned, and our giving back to the community.
An employee-owned company. That's what's cool about manufacturing.